Good evening, children. Today we are going to start the new lesson in your class 4 English literature book, and that is a poem. It is a poem about a sick young dragon. You know what is a dragon? A dragon is a creature which is not real. It has been made up in our folklore stories and culture. That means it is a creature that has been imaginary made up by people to narrate stories and narrate a lot of poems. So basically it is a creature which has been imagined by people in making a lot of stories and poems. So in this poem we are going to have a dragon who is sick. And you know what dragon does? He actually breathes fire. You can see from the picture, it has wings on its body. It has 4 legs too. His body is scaly and he breathes fire. So this poem talks about the dragon who is sick. Now when he is sick, he is not able to breathe fire. He has become cold. That means he has caught cold and cough. उसका गला खराब हो गया है, उसको जुकाम हो गया है. सो वो जो नेचुरली फायर को ब्रीथ करता है वो नहीं कर सकता. सो दिस पोएम इज बेसिकली अबाउट अ सिक ड्रैगन who has been put up in the bed by his mother, and she has told him to be on the bed and drink something very warm so that his body, which has become cold, comes back to its normal temperature and he starts breathing fire like he's been breathing fire in the picture. Now here is a poem about a young dragon who is sick. He is unable to breathe fire as he usually does. Now will the dragon get his fire back? Let us read the poem to find out. What can I do? The young dragon cried. What can I do? The young dragon cried. Although I have simply tried and tried. Now what is he saying? मैं क्या करूं? What can I do? He is telling his family, maybe his mother. The young dragon cried, although I have simply tried and I am just trying and trying. It doesn't matter how hard I blow, I cannot get my fire to go. He says, it doesn't matter. I am blowing and blowing and blowing, but I have not been able to breathe the fire. Why? Because he has become cold. He has caught cold. उसको क्या हो गया? उसको सर्दी जुकाम हो गया. So he has not been able to breathe fire. Open your mouth, his mother said. It's no wonder your throat's red. What does his mother say? Open your mouth, and it's no wonder your throat is red. Your scales are cold. Scales means your temperature has become cold. You must be ill. I think you must have caught a chill. तुम जरूर बीमार होगे. Because you have caught means पकड़ लिया है. Catch का past tense caught. You have caught a chill. Chill means ठंड. ठंड ने तुमको पकड़ लिया है. The doctor came. He looked and said, you will need a day or 2 in bed. Your temperature is down. No doubt. That's the reason your fire has gone out. What did the doctor say? That your temperature has gone down. That's why you are not able to breathe out fire, because your body is not as warm as it should be. It has become cold. Just drink the petrol. Now what did the doctor say? When you are sick, when your throat is sore, and when you catch fever, or when you catch cold, what does your mother give? She gives you tea. She gives you warm water. She gives you tulsi tea. So what does her mother say? Just drink this petrol. The dragon has to drink a petrol, because if he drinks a petrol, he's been able to breathe fire. Chew these nails. ये nails, ये कील chew कर लो. They will help you to warm up your scales. What will happen? If you chew these nails and if you drink petrol, your body will become hot. Just take it easy, watch TV. क्योंकि you are sick, you stay on bed, you just drink petrol you chew some nails, you'll soon be as right as rain. You'll see. You'll soon be as right as rain. Just like when the rain comes, you will just be all right. The young dragon did as he was told. He did the same thing. And soon his scales stopped feeling cold. And soon what happened? His scales, his temperature, which has gone down very low, so it became, the temperature came up. He sneezed some sparks. He sneezed. Sneeze means cheekna. He sneezed some sparks. His face glowed bright. Because when he sneezed, there were some sparks. That is, some fire was coming out, and suddenly his face started glowing. His face started looking bright. He coughed and set the sheets all right. He coughed, उसने खांसा, and set the sheets all alight. And the sheets, जो उसके आसपास sheets थी, वहाँ पे fire लग गई. Because he started breathing fire. Oh dear, he cried, I have burned the bed. He just exclaimed with joy that, oh, I burned the bed. It doesn't matter, his mother said. His mother said, doesn't matter. At least your fire is back. At least you are able to breathe the fire. Those sheets were old, go out and play. Just watch where you breathe fire today. So his mother said, the sheets were very old. Whatever the bedspread was there, it was very old. Doesn't matter. They have caught fire. You just now go and play. Just watch where you breathe fire today. Just watch. Just go and see where you can breathe the fire. Because a dragon's natural affinity is, उसकी natural आदत है that he always breathes out fire. So his fire was just stopped because he had caught cold. He had become sick. So he took rest. The doctor came. He advised him to take some nails and some petrol so that his body temperature becomes okay. The body temperature becomes it just rises, and he's been able to fire to breathe the fire again. So did you like the poem? Now if you have liked the poem, and it is easy because I made you understand very well. So now what you have to do is you have to remember this poem. Let us see. I give you 2 days, because if today you are learning, then on Thursday you have to just narrate this poem to me and make a dragon in your copy, in your class for copy of English, and write the poem by yourself. Fine? And about the question answers, we will be doing little later, maybe tomorrow. Now making connections. Choose the right answer. Although I have simply tried and tried means what? The dragon tried doing simple things. He tried very hard over and over again, or he tried hard just once. So correct option is 2. I cannot get my fire to go shows that the dragon wanted his fire to start, but he could not do it. Wanted his fire to go away, but he could not do it. Wanted his mother to get him some fire, but he would not get it. The answer is 1. No doubt that the reason your fire has gone out tells us that the doctor did not know the reason why the fire had gone out. Did not want to tell anyone the reason why the fire had gone out. Was very sure of the reason why the fire had gone out. Yes, he knew the reason why the fire had gone out. 3. Just watch where you breathe fire today means do not breathe fire today. Sit and watch yourself breathe fire today. Be careful where you breathe fire today, which is number 3. So these are the making connections. And next time when you have your class, we will be doing page number 24. Now till then you have to learn the poem by heart. You have to write this poem just the way it has been written in the book in your class for copy and make a nice dragon. Thank you.